Hi guys, I've got October's Roccabox. If you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is feeling very well. So today we have October's Roccabox. I absolutely love this box. Has to be my favourite box. I almost thought Glossy Box would be, but no, I'm still loving Roccabox a lot. I have cheated, so I know what's in this box. I had to have a look at, I think it's K8SW or K8SW. Her name's Kate. She's got her own little channel. Well, anyway, I couldn't help myself when I saw her video go up for Roccabox, so I know what's in here. But you guys might not, so hence why I'm doing my little video. Before I get stuck into this, please let me tell you about the October giveaway. Is the James Charles palette. Pop along, have a look at that video. The requirements for it are on the video and will also be in the description for you to read. So please enter. Okay, so let's have a look. Roccabox, by the way, is a subscription box of beauty or makeup items. I believe this one costs £10 per month and it's £2.95 delivery. Inside the box you'll get your goodies in here, and you also just get a little sheet to say what the items are. Now I'm hoping I can see because I haven't got my glasses. So I'm going to take these squiggly thingies and jibbies out because you get a lot of them. Okay, so the first item we have is called Bare Minerals. Right, so that's this little thing here. Let's have a look. The new vital step to your daily beauty ritual gives you ridiculously glowy, healthy looking skin. Well, I'm all for that. This is so cute, by the way. Look at this. How cute is that? So let's have a little spray. Oh, it does shoot out rather. I love the smell of this, and it's very, very watery. Oh, rubs in beautifully. Oh, I love the smell. I'm not quite sure what it is. Wow, I can see the glow on that already. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. So this is it's designed to revive and help maintain your skin's most vibrant look of health and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. This is a recommended retail of £34 for 30 mils. And this has got 0.25 fluid ounces. How many mils is that? 7.5 mils. Not bad. Okay. Let's see how I get on with that. I will actually use that. So that's the first product. And then we have, what is this one? Is that this? Pumpkin Mist. Yes. I'm not even going to see that. Okay, so this is by Balance Me. This is a hyaluronic plumping mist, recommended at £16. I like Balance Me. It's affordable and the products seem to actually work. Balance Me is a high-tech premium British made skincare that delivers results to skin naturally. The super fine mist provides an instant shot of brightening hydration. Hyaluronic acid, I can never say that word, so apologies if I've messed that up. Plumps the skin whilst camelline water calms sensitive or irritated complexions. And this is, it's 30 mils for £16, and we have, how many mils have we got? I can't actually see it. It's probably on there, but I haven't got my specs, ladies and gents. So very refreshing. I like that. something I would definitely use. Okay, next we have, this is by Bella Pierre. It is a kiss proof lip cream, £20. It's a full size product. Yippee! Beautiful colour. This is a colour that I would definitely wear. It's gorgeous. Very, very pretty colour. Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream are full coverage, high impact liquid lipstick that lasts for hours without the need to touch up. Their creamy formula goes on smoothly and dries to a beautiful matte finish in a snap. Okay, so I'll put it on, and I've got a little bit there. I'm going to leave it a bit longer, let it dry in, and then we'll see whether it rubs off. Okay, so that's definitely a user product. I would definitely reach for that. Next we have, this is a full-size product. So this is called Laid Bare Skincare DIY Cleanser and Toner. This is £6.99. The 99% natural 2-in-1 cleanser and toner leaves the skin feeling soft and cleansed. Gentle enough for the eye area to remove makeup, with a gorgeous zesty zingy fragrance to awaken and tighten pores. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Warning: contains nut extracts. Apply with warm water AM and PM. So, let's see if we can have a smell. Ooh, what's going on here? Can't actually lift the lid off. Over here. That is nice actually. Whoa, that is gorgeous. I like that, and it's foaming up on my hands, as you can see. Great. Right, okay, so that's one that I'm going to use. And then we have eyeliner. This is, I don't know what that says. It's a marker pen style eyeliner that makes defining the lash line simple. No wobbly edges, no smudging. The quick dry satin ink is totally waterproof, cruelty free, paraben free and vegan. And you can have 15% off future purchases at, I think it says 3 now, with the code Roccabox. So if you want 15% off for this, maybe, I don't know, just use the word Roccabox. This is a full-size product and it is worth £10.95. So let's have a little go at this. Oh, that's lovely. I like that a lot. I am barely touching my skin and it is literally going on there, no problem. No dragging. That is gorgeous. I like that. I will use that. Okay, and then last of all, we have one of these. This is moisturising lotion, £8.99. Soothing and softening Cetaphil moisturising lotion is clinically proven to bind water to your skin, reducing moisture loss. It's quickly absorbed, lightweight, yet delivers long-lasting hydration for daily maintenance of sensitive and dry skin, fragrance-free and lanolin-free. This is a travel size, £8.99 for 236ml. This is a 29ml. Okay, so let me just test this lipstick. Yeah, that is not budging. I hope you can see that, guys. And I'm rubbing, that's not budging. I like lipstick like that because I drink a lot of coffee throughout the day and I'm sick of always having that lipstick mark around the rim of my coffee cups. Okay, so I really enjoyed this box. I will be using every single product from out of this box, hence why I really like Roccabox. I find all their products fairly decent brands and usable. I'm getting a little bit fed up of, you know, you're constantly receiving sheet mask all the time, which I just find is a get out for putting something half decent in your box. So that is Roccabox complete. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please enter the James Charles Palette October giveaway. And if you'd like to see more from yours truly, please hit that one or that one. And if you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, please hit that one. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Bye.